Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about cleaning this porcelain patio. The customer gave me a call, so he was concerned because her domestic press washer cannot remove the grime. So here I am to give it a clean. One of the first things I always do, as you can see, is to clear any drainage. As you can see, this eco drain is full of dirt, and this would not help the process when I start to clean the patio, as this will cause a lot of flooding. So it's crucial to remove any dirt out of the drains before you even start the press washer up. As you can see, I go over first with a turbo nozzle. Here I've done a bit of a slow-mo, so you can see the actions of the turbo nozzle. It spins fine jet around in a circle. Once I've gone over the whole surface with a turbo nozzle, I'll then use a flat surface cleaner. Sometimes you wouldn't have to use a turbo nozzle on porcelain, but as this was really embedded grime, I wanted to give it a really good clean first and then go over again with a flat surface cleaner, do a chemical treatment and then rinse it all off. So I will stop talking, stop waffling, so you can enjoy the process. As you can see, there is a dining table on the patio, and some people might say, why didn't I move this? Well, this is solid concrete and I am not moving a solid concrete table. Here I'm just giving it a little rinse down. As you can see, my camcorder did not record me doing the main chemical treatment, but here you can see me applying a second coat, which we call it a spot treatment for any remaining marks which is left. Unfortunately my battery died, so I did not record the final rinse down, but coming up is some before and after pictures.